there in the gate. And they're off. Lexinator is going out for the lead. Down on the inside is a big-time lady with Lovestruck. Then comes Thursday. On the outside is Island Treasure, who is racing in fifth. And then it's Fifth Risk in sixth, followed by Bravo Regina. And trailing the field is Invincible Gal in eighth. The 2-year-old fillies make their way to the clubhouse turn. And it is Big-Time Lady on top here with Lexinator on the outside in second. The quarter went in 24 seconds. The favorite Lovestruck is down at the rail and racing in third. Now it's 3 lengths. Back to Thursday in fourth. Right alongside is Island Treasure in fifth. And then down on the inside is Fifth Risk with Bravo Regina. And trailing the field is still Invincible Gal. As the field moves up the backstretch, it's Big Long Shot, Big-Time Lady in front by almost 2 lengths. Lexinator, Lovestruck, they are heads apart second and third, and it's 3.5 lengths back to Island Treasure, who runs in fourth. Fifth Risk at the rail. On the outside is Bravo Regina, and then it is Invincible Gal, who has moved up a spot. Being pulled up and out of the race is Thursday. The half went in 50 and 2. Big-Time Lady is still there. Lexinator running in second. Lovestruck looking for a way through now in third. On the outside is Island Treasure as they come down for the 8th pole. It is Big-Time Lady, Lovestruck. Fifth Risk is rallying down at the rail. And here's Invincible Gal making a big move as they come for the 16th pole. It is Lovestruck and Invincible Gal. They are 1-2 as they come for the finish. And Lovestruck is going to make it 2-4-2. She wins it here by a length. Invincible Gal was second. Pace setter Big-Time Lady finished third.